There's a reason Windows 7 is still remembered today. It was clean, fast, and easy to use. Windows 7 2026 Edition V2 brings that experience back using a modern Tiny 11 base. The classic design returns, but now it runs modern apps and hardware with ease. Hi, this is Neil from HT. Let's get started. Stock Windows 11 often greets you with a crowded start menu. Pinned shortcuts appear for apps you never installed. About 30-plus applications arrive preloaded. Many of them cannot even be removed. The result feels cluttered and distracting. Now take a look at Windows 7 2026 V2. The Start menu opens the way it should. No random pins, no bundled software waiting in the background. Everything starts clean. Let's check storage next. A normal Windows 11 installation occupies roughly 37 gigabytes before you add any programs. Your disk space begins disappearing immediately. Windows 7 2026 follows a different design. The full system uses about 7.8 gigabytes, no unnecessary apps, no hidden extras, just the operating system. Memory usage makes the difference clearer. On stock Windows 11, idle RAM usage is around 2.9 gigabytes on a 4 gigabyte system. Opening one Chrome tab can already cause slowdowns. Windows 7 2026 V2 starts at roughly 1.5 gigabytes after installation. If you want to reduce it even further, Velotic can handle that. Open Velotic Pro. Go to Cleanup. Enable AI Managed Cleaning. Within seconds, RAM usage drops close to 700 megabytes. That is automation removing overhead instead of creating it. Velotic is designed specifically to optimize Windows for speed, control, and stability. Your PC speed shapes how you feel when you sit down to work or play. Velotic is not a cleaner, it is control. You turn it on, and your system stops fighting you. Games feel smoother, apps open faster, stutters disappear. Your PC stays fast every day, not just after a cleanup. Velotic tunes your CPU and GPU automatically, based on what you are doing. It removes junk before it slows you down. It kills hidden background drains in real time, without breaking Windows. You get 500-plus professional tweaks. One-click debloat, no guessing. Instant app installs, no setup pain. Smart power control that shifts between performance and stability when you need it. You free massive disk space through safe compression. Nothing gets deleted. Your files stay intact. Your system breathes again. This is not a temporary fix. This is the same approach used by people who depend on stable, fast machines every day. Built over 4 years, used by thousands, improved with every release. You install once, you stop thinking about performance forever. The basic plan starts at just $19.99 lifetime access. Velotic, for people who refuse to tolerate a slow PC. Now comes the key step, turning Windows 11 into Tiny 11. Open Velotic. Go to the debloat page. Press play. The tool takes over from here. With a single click, your system reaches Tiny 11 level performance. No file loss, no broken features. Everything runs on your existing setup. If you want the full breakdown, tap the info button. You can also find the complete guide through the link in the description. Now let's examine CPU activity and background workload. Stock Windows 11 runs about 145 processes, around 1,700 threads, and roughly 63,000 handles. Even while idle, the system stays active in the background. Windows 7 2026 V2 reduces this significantly. Around 97 processes, about 1,050 threads, and roughly 33,000 handles. All core system functions remain intact. Nothing critical is removed. Your CPU is free to focus on the tasks you actually run. Before moving to benchmarks, here's what makes this build different. Windows 7 2026 keeps modern security intact. Windows Defender, firewall protection, and anti-cheat systems all function normally. Security updates from Microsoft are also supported, so the system remains current and protected while running far lighter than standard Windows. Now let's check the baseline performance. On this hardware, stock Windows 11 scores 1,964 in single-core and 4,635 in multi-core. Those numbers reflect heavy background services and constant resource usage. Now let's switch to Windows 7 2026 V2. This system removes unnecessary components from the start. No bundled apps, no advertising services running in the background. The operating system does less work, so the hardware performs better. On the same machine, Windows 7 2026V, 2 scores 2,410 in single-core and 6,652 in multi-core. Same hardware. Much cleaner performance. Now let's check Windows Defender. In this build, you stay in control. Defender is disabled by default, so nothing runs unless you allow it. If you want protection, enabling it takes only a moment. Open the Configure toolbox, select Windows Defender and press Enable. Defender activates instantly, and real-time protection works normally. Next, let's talk about Windows updates. Updates remain pause by default. Nothing installs automatically unless it is a critical security fix. If you want full updates, open Settings, go to Updates, and enable them. The system clearly shows the update status. You can also disable updates completely through the Configure app, although that is not recommended. Now let's open the Microsoft Store. It behaves exactly like it does on a normal Windows installation once updates are enabled. Windows 7 2026 V2 ships without bundled applications. You install only the programs you actually need. Need Notepad, Calculator, or the snipping tool? Open the store, search for the app, and press Get. Installation finishes in seconds. You can also sign in with your Microsoft or Xbox account and access your purchased apps and games. In this example, Notepad opens instantly and runs exactly as expected. Windows 7 2026 V2 is designed for users who want speed, privacy, and full control. No lag, no clutter, no unnecessary background activity. If you want a Windows experience that stays fast and predictable, this premium build delivers exactly that. You can find the full installation guide for Windows 7 2026 in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. This is Harbor of Tech, sailing off.